Honda's one-of-a-kind midsize pickup stands out in many ways, but also comes with a couple of drawbacks that keep it away from the leading position on the market. Well, we have great news for you because all those weak points are about to be addressed with the upcoming next-generation model. Stay with us, because the 2026 Honda Ridgeline is worth waiting for these 7 huge reasons. Number 7. Bolder and more aggressive look. Gone are the days when the Ridgeline looked like a minivan with the back chopped off. The 2026 model brings a complete visual transformation that finally gives this truck the respect it deserves on the road. Taking heavy inspiration from the rugged new Passport design, Honda has completely reimagined what their pickup should look like. The front end is about to get a massive squared-off grille with bold horizontal slats that create an imposing presence. Sharp LED headlights will replace the softer units from before, while the hood will sit higher and more upright, giving the Ridgeline that truck-like stance buyers have been demanding. The fenders will be dramatically widened to accommodate larger wheels, up to 20 inches on top trims, and the whole front fascia will project strength rather than the crossover-inspired design that turned off so many potential buyers. From the side, the transformation becomes even more obvious. The character lines are getting deeper and more pronounced. The wheel arches flare out aggressively, and the bed appears properly separated from the cabin instead of looking like one continuous shape. Even the stance is getting revised, with a more upright posture that eliminates the car-like proportions that made the current model look out of place next to traditional pickups. Number 6. Modern-day interior. On the inside, the centerpiece will be a massive 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that replaces the current model's dated 8-inch display, powered by Honda's latest software that finally delivers the responsiveness truck buyers expect. But the big news isn't just the main screen, it's the addition of a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster that puts customizable information right in the driver's line of sight. This dual-screen setup transforms the entire driving experience, providing crisp graphics, lightning-fast response times, and the kind of tech integration that makes the current cabin feel ancient by comparison. The improvements go far beyond screens, though. Honda has completely rethought the material quality throughout the cabin, with soft-touch surfaces replacing hard plastics and genuine leather available on upper trims. One of the biggest upgrades addresses the current model's biggest weakness: noise levels. The 2026 Ridgeline will feature improved sound insulation with acoustic glass, expanded sound-absorbing materials, and better sealing that creates a genuinely quiet environment at highway speeds. Combined with wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and enhanced voice recognition, the new interior will make the Ridgeline look more upscale than anything in the class. Number 5. Hybrid is coming. Here's where Honda drops the biggest bombshell. The 2026 Ridgeline will be the first Honda pickup to offer hybrid power, and the numbers are absolutely impressive. This isn't some weak efficiency-focused system that sacrifices performance. We're talking about a turbocharged 2-liter engine paired with Honda's latest dual-motor hybrid technology that produces around 320 combined horsepower, a significant jump from the current model's 280 horsepower. The torque delivery is where the system really shines, with electric motors providing instant response from a standstill that eliminates the lag sometimes felt with the current V6. More power, better response, and here's the kicker. Fuel economy will jump from the current 18 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway to an estimated 25 miles per gallon city and 35 miles per gallon highway. For truck buyers tired of watching their fuel gauge drop every time gas prices spike, these numbers represent a game-changing advantage. The hybrid system will maintain full towing capability while delivering efficiency that embarrasses every other pickup in the segment. Number 4. Improved off-road capabilities. The current Ridgeline gets laughed at by serious off-road enthusiasts, but the 2026 model is fighting back with genuine capability improvements that address every major criticism. Ground clearance increases, approach and departure angles improve, and Honda's intelligent torque vectoring all-wheel drive system receives major software updates that make it far more capable when the pavement ends. The Trail Sport trim returns as the off-road specialist, but now with substantial upgrades that justify its position. We're talking all-terrain tires as standard equipment, revised suspension tuning with increased ride height, and comprehensive underbody protection for critical components. The visual differentiation includes exclusive exterior colors, distinctive wheels, and interior accents that announce this truck's adventure-ready intentions. Honda is about to completely rewrite the all-wheel drive system's software for 2026, adding dedicated terrain management modes specifically calibrated for snow, mud, and sand conditions. These modes adjust throttle response, transmission behavior, and torque distribution to optimize traction in challenging situations. While hardcore rock crawlers might still prefer solid axles, the Ridgeline's independent suspension actually provides advantages in many scenarios, delivering better articulation over uneven terrain and more predictable handling on loose surfaces. The improvements go beyond hardware. Honda has also enhanced the approach and departure angles through clever design changes that don't compromise the truck's on-road manners. For buyers who want genuine off-road capability without sacrificing the ride quality that makes the Ridgeline special for daily driving, these updates represent a significant step forward. Number 3. Unparalleled Practicality. This is where the Ridgeline has always separated itself from the competition, and the 2026 model doubles down on the practical innovations that make everyday truck ownership so much easier. The signature dual-action tailgate will carry on, of course, allowing both traditional fold-down operation and side-hinged opening for easier cargo access, a feature competitors still haven't figured out how to copy despite its obvious utility. The in-bed trunk remains the Ridgeline's secret weapon, providing secure, weatherproof storage that's perfect for valuable tools or keeping groceries from sliding around during transport. For 2026, this trunk will be redesigned with improved drainage, better organization options, and a more durable liner material that resists scratches and stains. Adjacent to this storage will be a new 115-volt power outlet capable of running power tools or campsite accessories. Inside the cabin, Honda will maintain the spacious environment that provides genuine comfort for 5 adults with class-leading rear legroom. The rear seats will retain their flip-up design that creates a flat-load floor for bulky items, but now include additional underfloor storage compartments for emergency supplies or valuables that need to stay hidden. Between the in-bed trunk, underseat storage, and numerous cabin compartments, the Ridgeline will offer more practical storage solutions than any competitor. Number 2. V6 continues. While the hybrid steals headlines, Honda isn't abandoning the proven 3.5-liter V6 that has powered Ridgelines since the beginning. For 2026, this reliable power plant will receive updates that improve both performance and efficiency without sacrificing the smooth, refined character that Honda V6 engines are known for. The big news is the addition of a new 10-speed automatic transmission that will replace the current 9-speed unit. This isn't just about having more gears. The new transmission features improved programming that provides quicker shifts, better highway fuel economy, and more intuitive operation, whether you're towing a trailer or just commuting to work. The V6 itself receives internal updates that boost output slightly while improving emissions compliance. For buyers who prefer proven technology over cutting-edge hybrid systems, this updated V6 represents the best of both worlds. You get the reliability and durability Honda engines are famous for, plus the performance improvements that come with better transmission tuning and refined engine management. Towing capacity remains strong, fuel economy improves moderately, and the smooth power delivery that makes the Ridgeline so pleasant to drive daily gets even better. The decision to keep both powertrains available shows Honda understands their customer base includes both early adopters, excited about hybrid technology, and traditionalists who want proven mechanical systems. This flexibility will ensure that the 2026 Ridgeline can appeal to the broadest possible range of truck buyers without forcing anyone into technology they're not comfortable with. Number 1. High-performance Ridgeline coming. Here's the bombshell that nobody saw coming. Credible sources suggest Honda is developing a high-performance Ridgeline Type R that would mark the first application of the legendary Type R badge to a pickup truck. This wouldn't be just a cosmetic package with stripes and badges. We're talking about a genuine performance variant that showcases what Honda's engineers could accomplish when they apply their racing heritage to a pickup platform. The Ridgeline Type R is about to feature a twin-turbocharged V6 producing around 500 horsepower, significantly more than Ford's Ranger Raptor and its 405 horsepower. Unlike off-road focused performance trucks that prioritize rock-crawling ability, the Ridgeline Type R would take a street performance approach, potentially featuring sport-tuned suspension, high-performance brakes, and aggressive aerodynamics designed for on-road handling rather than trail capability. Most intriguingly, some sources suggest the Type R variant might offer a manual transmission option, something that has become extremely rare in modern pickup trucks. While this high-performance variant would likely represent a small percentage of overall Ridgeline sales, it would create a halo effect for the entire lineup and demonstrate Honda's commitment to driver engagement across all vehicle categories. But improving market position will be anything but an easy task, considering that rivals are shaping up as well. Check out this video about the reasons why the 2026 Chevy Colorado is worth waiting for, which you can now see on the screen. Chevy's midsizer is getting better than ever before, ready to attack Tacoma's segment-leading position.